And lovely guys, so basically welcome back with Chef Ricardo Salad Bar channel. Anyway, I got some mixed leaf in this bowl. Alright, and I'm gonna cut up some more mixed leaf. This is some sweet jam lettuce, but look at this recipe. Sweet jam lettuce. Alright guys, and then next I'm going to cut up a medium-sized cucumber. Roughly half of the cucumber are going to be used. Then I'm gonna use some tomatoes, 3 tomatoes, medium-sized tomato. And I know you guys can do this at home. Nice one. Lovely. Give it a lovely mix. Alright. We got the mixed leaf, we got the cucumber, we got the tomato, sweet jam lettuce. Amazing. Second thing, I have some leftover tuna which I fried up. So what I'm going to do is just add the tuna to it like this. And honestly, you don't need to add nothing else, because you know when you fry up tuna at home and you have a little bit left over, yeah, this is the best thing you can ever do with your tuna. Mix up a nice lovely salad like this one and bring it to work. So let's share it out. Very easy recipe. Tuna salad. Very easy, and it's just some leftover tuna. So what I'm going to do, straight inside of my bowl, nice one. As you can see, oh, it's looking so good. This is some leftover tuna, guys. You know what I mean? It's just amazing to know what you can do with leftover stuff at home. Some people would just chuck this in the bin, and I said, no, I can make a salad with this and have it for my lunch today. Tuna and also cucumber, lettuce, and you know. So guys, it's very simple recipe, and as I say, if you have anything left over and you have it at home, please do not chuck it in the bin. Please make something with it. This is a little bit of leftover tuna, and I have some leftover mixed leaf and some tomato and cucumber, and you can put red onion, you can put a lot more stuff if you like to. Simple recipe, so please do not throw things in the bin and save money and time. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Salad Bar, and we got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming for you, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.